Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to correct the drawing scale in AutoCAD after changing units. So let's get started. First, open your drawing in AutoCAD. Over here, type UN in the command line and press Enter. After that, the Drawing Units dialog box will open. Then, go to the Type drop-down and select Decimal. Over here, open the Insertion Scale drop-down and select Centimeters. After that, click OK to apply the changes. Then, check your drawing and notice the dimensions still need proper scaling. Over here, select the rectangle or object you want to scale. After that, type SC in the command line and press Enter. Then, choose a base point for scaling from your drawing. After that, AutoCAD will adjust the drawing scale accurately. Then, check your rectangle and confirm it is now properly converted. Over here, apply the same method to any other shapes if needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.